I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start immediately by opening the can and reserving about 1/2 cup of the tomato liquid. You will use it to thin and adjust flavor. You heat 1 tablespoon oil in a medium pot because gentle fat extracts flavor from aromatics. Then chop 1 onion and mince 2 garlic cloves. Once the oil shimmers, add them to sweat until soft. Stir in the tomatoes and 2 cups broth. This begins the cooking process and builds your soup base. Once the pot reaches a simmer, lower the heat to maintain a gentle bubble. Simmer 10 to 15 minutes so flavors meld and raw tomato brightness softens. You stir occasionally to prevent sticking, then remove from heat and either use an immersion blender directly or carefully blend in batches. This creates a silky texture. Make sure to taste and add 1 teaspoon sugar and 1/2 teaspoon salt. Adjust thickness with reserved tomato liquid because balance matters more than exact measures. Finish by stirring in 2 tablespoons cream or milk for a rounder mouthfeel, then reheat gently without boiling to prevent curdling. You should serve immediately with basil or croutons and drizzle a little olive oil for shine. If the soup tastes too acidic, add a small pinch of baking soda while stirring, watch for fizz and stop once balanced. Conversely, if it's too thin, simmer uncovered a few minutes to reduce. These quick fixes rescue texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.